Okay, hello everyone, how are you doing out there? This is Goodison Gamer and welcome to Road Toad on the Commodore 64 from 1982. Little bit of noise here, so I'm gonna spare you your ears, your poor ears. So, this is a Frogger clone game, and one of my viewers mentioned this game in the comment section of another video, so I thought, why not? Frogger is a cool game. So here we go, I need to bring my little froggy to safety, to his home, over the streets and over the river. So here we go. Let's jump the lily pads and the logs. And try to try the best we can here. Try to stay away from the police car as well. So it's not that bad. I mean, it's an old game. It looks pretty good and sound effects is cool. So I cannot complain. And the left home is the most difficult, in my opinion, to reach. One has to time it. So I shall do another try here. Fuck, I mean... Come on. No. I'm not in the right rhythm. So I'm gonna wait for it. Let's go up here first. Control seems to be nice and responsive. Come here, Loggy. Something like that to see if I can have luck now. Come on, Log. Yes. One more frog is to rescue. And where are all the bugs that I can eat? Or they are absent in this? No! That was sloppy of me. Yeah, please comment in the comment section if you have played this game. I want to know if you like it or not. This goes out to my viewers, all of you, of course. And if you have never played the game before, you can comment as well. I'm happy for all comments. Yeah, now it's level 2 here, and it gets a little bit trickier here, a little bit faster. Can I... Come on, Log. Yes. So this is the game actually, but I don't know, but I think there will be some bugs to eat so I can get more points at some point, hopefully. So there you go. Oops, shit. Come on, get on the lug. There you go, yes. Oh shit. Ho ho. Now, will be... Yeah, so now level 3 here. Yeah, it will be faster now. Yeah, the problem is the flickering. Oh shit. The flicker going on, but don't know, perhaps it's a emulation related issue. I don't know. So I'm just gonna play on until I'm game over here. I mean, it's nothing super exciting with this game, but yeah, I got the frog there. I rescued the frog. Cool. Something is happening. I'll try to... Oh no! End of the game, yeah. Okay, that was Road Toad. Not a bad game at all, actually. It's a cool little Frogger clone. So, yeah, why not give it a go if you want to? I thought it was pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, like always. Take care and have a good one. Goodbye.